What is going on, guys? Matt here with Search Engineers. Thank you for checking out the channel. Today, I have a very cool presentation for you. I actually have two presentations for you. If you are interested in high-ticket drop shipping, if you have been considering it, if you are switching up your business models, or if you're brand new online to e-commerce in general, I think this is an absolutely great place to start. Now, first of all, kudos to you two for doing your own research on YouTube, finding different videos, finding different people to learn from. I think YouTube is a great resource, and anywhere I can be of use to you, please let me know. You can reach out to me in the link in the description. You can visit my website. You can give me a call at the phone number in the description and on my channel page. So anyway, guys, without further ado, let's get into the presentation. So for a little while now, I have been offering a coaching program, a mentorship program, and an online course that teaches you through my own business model. This is the business model that I have used to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue and sales. I have sold one of my e-commerce stores for thousands of dollars, and I'm now currently selling another store for about 50 grand, right? So this is something that I've actually used to generate a full-time income online. I do not have a job. This is my full-time venture at the moment. And this presentation will sort of just break down the business model, how it works. Clearly, you've thought of high-ticket dropshipping before, or else you would not have found this video. So this video should go a little bit more into context about what makes this business model so different than other ones. Now, to start, we leverage search engine advertising, okay? I do not waste any time on Facebook ads when it comes to high-ticket dropshipping. And the reason for that, Facebook ad costs are definitely rising. And Facebook takes advantage of, it's a sort of display ad type of thing, like a native type of advertising. Search ads are so much more targeted. You are literally able to target the bottom funnel traffic just based off of what people are typing in online. So for example, if somebody's trying to buy a refrigerator, they go online and just type in refrigerator. So if they know what type of refrigerator they want, you can get even more specific. Let's say it's called Super Freeze refrigerator, bottom freezer, in gray. If they type in all those pieces of information, that's such good data that you have that you're able to serve an ad to them for. And it's way more targeted. You're able to predict whether or not you're going to make a sale way better. So let's get into the presentation. I'm just getting into theory at this point. The question is, what is the difference between search ads versus interest-based ads? Why is search engine advertising the way to go when it comes to high-ticket dropshipping? Okay, now search ads are easily able to target hot, ready-to-buy traffic. Okay, now interest-based ads on Facebook ads target mostly warm and cold traffic, not necessarily able to target search intent as easily. Reason for that is you're trying to aggregate and cross-reference so many different data points. Okay. Now Facebook does have lots of different data points, and once you've collected enough data, you can start to scale your ads better, get those ad costs down, and start to have a more predictable advertising strategy. But to start out, you don't have that data, so you have to invest a large lump sum on the front end before you're able to take advantage of that data, which costs money. In my opinion, is the reason why Facebook ads are not the best strategy for beginners. Again, this is my opinion. Lots of people would say I'm wrong. Facebook ads are the best, they're the way to go, whatever. Not arguing, just presenting my opinion. Now, what they're both good for. Now, interest-based pros, you can take advantage of a larger number of data points, specifically in Facebook ads. They may not exactly be searching for these products and services, but their internet activity shows they may be interested in purchasing regardless. So this is with Facebook ads, okay? Now, search-based pros, you can target users exactly based off of what they're searching for online, okay? So, for example, again, using the refrigerator example, someone types in Super Freeze Kegerator 18-inch wide dual stout. Okay, they have a strong buying intent, and you can tell based off of the specificity of the search term. So if somebody's looking for a kegerator, they know they want an 18-inch wide dual stout. You can tell that they've done their research, they know what they're looking for, and they've narrowed down on a very specific type of unit. Okay, if you serve an ad to that person, the likelihood that you will make a sale is so much greater based on the specificity of the search, guys. This is known as search intent. Okay, understanding a user's intent can help you predict whether or not they're going to buy. Okay, now the alpha beta model explained. Click the link in the description to go and check out my alpha beta ads playbook PDF. That's going to essentially teach you how I scale my search-based ad campaigns, and it'll teach you a little bit more about the alpha beta strategy. If you're not at all familiar with the alpha beta strategy, I'm going to do my best to break it down in this video and in that playbook. There's a lot to unpack, so bear with me, hang in there. So the alpha campaign, so essentially when we're running search-based campaigns, we're setting up two campaigns. One is alpha and one is beta. Okay, alpha, of course, is the stronger, more high-quality campaign. Beta is the lower-quality campaign, not as strong. Okay, so for alpha, the keywords that we want to pay for in the alpha campaign show strong buying intent. They're ready to buy now, and these are the most expensive keywords. Okay, and now from this campaign, you should see a 15x return on ad spend or more. With your beta campaign, beta campaigns show medium buying intent. They may buy now and they may convert less. You should see about an 8x return on ad spend or more. So that's what I have seen in my experience. Again, hang in there. I'm going to do my best to break that down. There's another great resource for you guys would be my alpha beta tutorial, my Bing Ads tutorial. That is also transferable to Google Ads, although I just did it in a Bing Ads UI. I highly recommend that you guys go check that out, walk through that process. Again, anywhere I can be a resource to you guys, absolutely, I will do it, and I'm going to do my best to explain this. So the alpha beta model explained. Now buying intent, okay, is understanding buying intent requires you to have a deeper look at what a user might be thinking when they're typing this in online. So when you search for HealthMate Enrich 3 infrared sauna, you know the brand, the model, the make, and specific product type. This shows you are educated on the product and close to ready to make a decision. If you only search for infrared sauna, you still know a good bit but are not 100% certain of the make and model. This would be considered a beta term. Okay, beta terms are still very high quality and convert very well. You could say there are terms even less valuable than beta, terms that may say something like how to build a sauna or DIY sauna parts or how to build your own sauna. Okay, so those are terms that are considered negative keywords that we would not want to include in our campaigns. Now, these are examples of terms we would want to block completely. Those terms do not show buying intent. If we did sell sauna plans, they would show buying intent, although we do not. So that user does not intend at all to do business with us, and neither do we respectfully. We just don't sell sauna plans. We don't have what they're looking for. Okay, so shopping ads work differently than traditional search text ads. They rely on the product page's SEO data to communicate with users what you have to offer, as explained earlier in the course. So this is actually an excerpt of my Bing shopping ads course, which is why you have that language in there earlier in the course. Okay, you can click the link in the description to check out and learn more about my Bing shopping ads course. So this is my high ticket dropshipping Bing shopping ads course. This is the business model I use. I honestly recommend this more than anybody else for beginners. The reason why we use Bing is because the cost per click is cheaper and it's easier to start and run a store for the long term on Bing right now. Google has been suspending people left and right. I think you'll have a much easier time staying on Bing in the long run. Again, you can click the link in the description to learn more about the course, and if I can be a resource to you in any way, please let me know. I will do my best to help. So we do not bid for the keywords we want to rank for. So we put the keywords we want to rank for in our titles, tags, and descriptions inside our Shopify admin, inside the product pages. Okay, in addition to our SEO data, we add negative keywords into our campaigns to block certain search terms from appearing in either one or all of our campaigns. Okay, for example, DIY sauna plans is added as a negative keyword in both the alpha and beta campaign. Now, this search term will not show up in either campaign. It will be blocked completely from all campaigns, okay? So for another example, HealthMate Enrich 3 infrared sauna is blocked from the beta campaign, We added this term to the negative keywords list on our beta campaign, thus blocking it from the beta campaign. In addition to being blocked from the beta campaign, it will also be sent up to the alpha campaign. Okay, so to break that down in my own words again, essentially what's going to happen is we are adding the keywords that we want to go in our alpha campaign as negative keywords in our beta campaign. So again, we can't bid on actual keywords from our campaigns like we can with search text ads. So the keywords that we're going to be ranking for are taken from our SEO data in our product pages. Okay, so we can't bid for keywords the same exact way. In order to bypass this, we set up the alpha beta campaign structure and we put the keywords that we do want to bid more aggressively for in the beta campaign so that they are as a negative keyword so that they are sent up to the alpha campaign. Okay, and we set up an alpha and beta campaign in order to accurately control where we want either lower value or higher value search terms to go. Okay, so alpha negatives list gets sent to beta campaigns. Lower quality search terms go here, generic search terms go here, and is completely blocked from the alpha campaign. All right, and the beta negatives list gets sent to alpha campaigns. Higher quality search terms go here, branded search terms go here, and is completely blocked from the beta campaign. So this is my full alpha beta setup, guys. This is just basically an introduction to my shopping ad strategy, my search text advertising strategy. I hope that made sense to you guys. I hope you got value from it. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe on this video. It absolutely helps my channel so much to continue to grow and help other people advertising online. Again, if you want to use me as a resource, I do one-on-one coaching with folks. I have a Bing Shopping Ads course, A to Z walkthrough of my entire business model, which is now at a lower price than it ever has been before. You can click that link in the description. And guys, if there's anything else I can do for you, please let me know. I'd be happy to help. Have a great day. Peace.